these even? I have a pinball. Yeller. Welcome. Can't say welcome back because this is my first video, but welcome. It is hot. Oh god. Today I'll be reviewing Boxy Charm. I just threw it. I'll be very big. Not big. Boxy Charm. If you don't know what this is, it's a monthly subscription. I believe they started on Instagram. For starters, it is $21 per month for the box. That's a lot of money if you do the math. Like, I think it's like what? It's $250 a year. It's very expensive, but we're gonna get into that. The value of the box is supposed to come with 5 full-size products, and they're supposed to value over $20 that you're spending, which is absolutely true. You do get full-size products. You do get a value over the $20 that you are spending. So when you first get the box, when you open it, you get a card in it. This one just says Boxy Bash and has all their stuff on it, and in the back, sorry my dog, and in the back it tells you each product that you're getting and the price if you were to buy it individually. Like, for example, one of the palettes that I received in this box, just the first one, oops, sorry, just the first one is $30, which is obviously well over the $20. I think it's all supposed to be over $100. My dog, give me a second. Sorry, my dog was being super annoying. Anyways, I think it's supposed to be over $100 of what they put in the box, but I do like and respect that because Ipsy, I believe it is, they are $10 and they give you like the smallest samples known to mankind. Like, normal samples at Sephora is like probably like this big. Ipsy is like this big. So I don't like that. Why spend money on that? So the value and the price point of what you're spending is so much better. And another reason why is because the products that they give you inside the box, it's name brand products. So for example, if I go into Sephora and I see something that I want, most likely probably 50-50, I could just wait for my box, because I had received primer that I'm using today is by Cover Effects. And it's the blurring primer. This is probably $45 and I got it in my box. Another name brand product that I really love and was given in the box, it's a Dr. Brent, I believe it's called, and it's the Pores No More Illuminizing Primer Base. So you do get name brand products. These two by itself separately will probably range to $30 to $45, and you got it free in your box for just $20, which is amazing. I love also that they mix up and you get different varieties. For example, you get palettes, you get lipstick, you get primers, you get face masks, you get eye masks, you get scrubs, you get brushes. So it's a perfect way to expand your makeup collection without breaking the bank in Sephora or MAC or somewhere else. And you get brush sets. It's usually 3 brushes in the sets and they're really good. What is it? Crown, if you don't know, I believe they made they are the owners, or they have created Morphe as well, so it's, or the products of Crown is the same exact like Morphe. So you do get Crown products, and this is a very good brush. You know, you could just do it under your eyes, blush, like, and it's usually in a set of 3. Got this smaller one, and they're pink and pretty. I don't know if you can see the camera. This one more somewhere, I don't know. So it's a beautiful way to expand your makeup collection without breaking the bank, and you know, you get name brand stuff and you are essentially getting even more out of your money, more money's worth. Bruh. It's a month-to-month renewal payment. You don't have to remember to pay it, and it just comes in your mailbox. So every time you go to your mailbox, it's a fun little surprise, and it's makeup for the makeup lovers out there. It's just a cute little way to, like, you know, give a gift to yourself and treat yourself and have fun with it. If you do follow their Instagram, or I don't follow their Instagram, I think I do. No, I do. I used to not follow them, but I was subscribed because I didn't want to know what I was getting in my box. They give you a hint for the new box that is sending out for that month. So if you follow their Instagram, you can definitely check out what they're gonna be giving you. If you don't like it, you can cancel the subscription at whatever time you like. You don't have to commit. There's no canceling fee. You do get a tracking number when they have sent out your box, so it's purely safe. And the only thing that I do not like, because they show you hints on Instagram, you typically see something that you do like and you might not get it in your box. Every box, although it may be the same, but I think it's two separate boxes, so you could get either or. For example, if they put a hint out that one of their boxes will have Cover FX priming, then another hint would be, or you might receive the Pores No More. So it's either or. If you want one, you might not end up getting that one. You might end up getting the other one, which kind of sucks. Another thing that I noticed with mine, at least, is that I get the same color lipstick. So you might get red, pink, or purple, whatever it is, and I end up getting the same colors, and it's not color friendly for everyone. Like, well, they sent out a brow pencil, an eyebrow pencil, and the color was for someone who would be blonde, and I'm obviously a very dark brunette. I have dark features. I need a darker shade for my eyebrows. I tried to make it work, but it's just not my color. So you might end up getting something that you might not use, or you might not like, or you might not, it's not your color. I want the red one that month and I get purple for my lipstick, then that's kind of upsetting. So you do not get the choice of what you're gonna get that month. It's totally random. They don't quiz you on your personality or your hair color or your eye color, so it's very general. And if you see something that you like, you might not get it. Like me, I see something that I really want and I just don't get it. I mean, it doesn't make me cancel the subscription at all. I love it, and my last $20 will go to my subscription. I don't care. That's how much I love it. If you love makeup, if you love treating yourself, if you love even expanding your comfort zone, you do get, I've been on, I think I joined last year. These are just some of the examples of like palettes that I've gotten, and the pigment, girl, it is so good. Like, it's ridiculous. So Crown, again, I would probably stay to my neutrals. I would stay to the palettes that I know. I would never know that Morphe would be, I mean, Crown or Morphe, I guess it's the same person, I'm not too sure. They would be so good. I love the colors. Like, these are beautiful. This purple, God. Even ColourPop has collaborated with them, and it was they were giving a palette for the month. I got the Golden State of Mind. Oh, it's so beautiful. These are all sparkly, shimmery, like glitter shades. Like, let me see. I'll do a swatch from each one. So Crown, which one am I gonna do? I guess I'll do this one. Oh my god, so good. No Maybe I shouldn't do it this way, right? Is that too much light? Golden State of Mind. I guess I'll do, which one would I? That one's a little, I don't know if you can see. Oh well. Anyways, this one was a Boxy Charm pure one, so I guess they created their own palette, but look at these colors. Oh my god. This blue. I have to do this. And I just killed it. Why do bad things happen to good people? I guess I'll do this blue one. Like, pigment, girl. Love that one. And this is another one, pure. I don't know if they made it themselves. This one I use on the regular everyday basis. This is what I use for my nudes, for my browns. I love this copper shade right here. What's it called? Glitzy. And like, it's so good. I can't. So yeah, I would never have known about, I guess, these products or these types of name brand, and I would never expand my makeup knowledge or makeup collection if it wasn't for Boxy Charm. You know, you get some new things and you get some cool stuff like some blush, what's it called? I forgot what's it called. Oh, Note. Girl, get your hair together in your life. What are you doing? Anyways, Note. Oh, it is so good. Like, so good. This is the color that I received. What is this? Desert Rose. Oh, it's so pretty. That's actually what I'm wearing today. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I'll put some more on. But it's just so creamy, so pigmented. Like, come on. And Note, I would never, like, who's Note? I don't know where Note is or who she is or where she came from, but I like her and she could stay. If there's any other, you know, boxes that you like me to review, like Ipsy or anything else that you like me to review that you are not sure of, I do have another review for Sugar Bear, the Sugar Bear hairs. And that one should be an interesting video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe, you know, help a sister out. You'll see this place at least once a week, and all my social medias are down below. I do have a Poshmark account, and I do sell some clothes there. If you want to check that out, then the link is down below. Whatever you feel, just let me know. And hopefully I see you in the next video. Bye! I'm such a loser. I don't know what to do with myself. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.